Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Quadratic equations part 3. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched part 2. In this video, we learn about quadratic formula. We derive the formula to find the roots of a quadratic equations using the completing the square method. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. To use the completing the square method, the coefficient of x square should be 1. So divide everything in the equation by a. So we will get it as x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. To make it a perfect square, we have to add half of the coefficient of x whole square on both sides. So what is the coefficient of x here? B by a. So half of b by a we have to take and square it. So that is add half of b by a is b by 2a whole square on both sides. So you will get x square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equal to b by 2a whole square. Now this part will become x plus b by 2a whole square, and if you transfer this c by a to the other side, it will become b square by 4a square minus c by a. This b square by 4a square, I have simplified this. Now x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, here LCM is 4a square. So it will become b square. To get 4a square, we have to multiply a by 4a. Therefore 4a into c, 4ac. Here x plus b by 2a, here we have square, so x plus b by 2a will become under root b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So x plus b by 2a is equal to, when you remove the square root, it will become plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by square root of 4a square is 2a. Now this x is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This will become minus b by 2a. So finally x is equal to, if you simplify, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these two are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b minus root b square minus 4ac are the two roots. So if you write it together, the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what are the two roots? Here once you are taking plus and once you are taking minus, and you can assume them as x1, x2 also. So these are the roots. So let us do some examples to understand this concept more clearly. Use the quadratic formula to solve the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Solving the equation means finding the unknown. So here the unknown variable is x. So let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So when you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is 1, coefficient of x square, b is equal to 5, So here bx, here 5x, and c is equal to 6. Substitute the value of a, b, c in the formula. So that is x is equal to minus b minus 5 plus or minus b square, that is 5 square, minus 4 into a is 1 into c, 6, by 2 into a, that is 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, let us simplify this, 5 square is 25 minus 6 into 4 into 1, 6 4s are 24 by 2. So this will become minus 5 plus or minus root 1 by 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 by 2, root 1 is nothing but 1, minus 5 minus 1 by 2, minus 4 by 2 minus 6 by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. These are the roots of the quadratic equation x plus 2 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. Let us compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 2. So what is the formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So every time if you write the formula, you will habituated to this and you will remember forever. So x is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 7 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, that is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into what is a is 3 into what is c, c is 2 by 2 into a, that is 2 into 3. So that is equal to 7 minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus minus 7 whole square, that is 49 minus 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24 by 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24, that is 25 by 6. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 by 6. So x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 6 or 7 minus 5 by 6. So x is equal to 12 by 6 or 2 by 6. X is equal to 2 or 1 by 3. So 2 comma 1 by 3 are the roots of the given equation. Solve using quadratic formula. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0 comma 2. Let us convert into the standard form first. So this will become, let us write the equation first, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. So the LCM will be x into x minus 2. So this is x minus 2 into 1, x minus 2 minus x into 1, that is x, is equal to 3. So this plus x and minus x gets cancelled. So minus 2 by x into x, x square minus x into 2, 2x is equal to 3. So cross multiplication, that is 3 into x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2. That is minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x. Now the standard form of the equation we got it. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So send minus 2 to the other side. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is a value, b value and c value? A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. Now let us write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 6 whole square minus 4ac. A is 3 and c is 2 by 2 into a, that is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 minus into minus plus, under root 36 minus 4 3s are 12 into 2, 24 by 6. So therefore x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12. 36 minus 24 gives you 12 by 6, and 12 can be written as 4 into 3 by 6. So that is 6 plus or minus, if you write 4 outside it will become 2 root 3 by 6, and you can take 2 out from the numerator. It will become 3 plus or minus root 3 by 6. You can simplify this. So that is x. So x is equal to, what is remaining now? 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3. That is 3 plus root 3 by 3, and x equal to 3 minus root 3 by 3. These two are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now we will learn what is the sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation. So to find the sum and product of the roots, first of all you should know what are the roots. But the method what I am going to teach you now, in that no need of finding the roots. To find the sum and product without knowing the roots, we will find the sum and product of the roots. Let us see. Now, what are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? Or let us take it as x1 is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x2 is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now sum, let us add them, x1 plus x2, that is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a plus x2 minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us simplify this. The LCM is 2a. So LCM, the denominators are same. So add the numerators directly. So minus b under root b square minus 4ac minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. So this plus term and minus term will get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus b minus b. That is minus 2b by 2a. And 2 gets cancelled, and minus b by a is remaining. So this is the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let us verify this formula. Let's take an example, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So the roots of this equation are minus 3 and minus 4, and their sum will be minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7. Now we will apply this formula and check whether we'll get minus 7 or not. Let us compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 7, and c is equal to 12. So what is the sum formula? Minus b by a. What is b here? Minus b is 7 by a is 1. So the sum is minus 7. So by using the formula, we got minus 7, and actual sum is also minus 7. So our formula is right. So we know the roots are x1 and x2, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us multiply. Let us find the product. So that is minus b plus b square minus 4ac under root by 2a into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let us multiply these two. So if you observe the numerators, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. So it will become minus b whole square minus under root b square minus 4ac whole square by 2a into 2a. That is 2 into 2, 4, a into a square. Now minus b whole square, you can write it as b square minus the square root will get cancelled, and you will have minus of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So we will have the product is equal to b square minus b square. This minus into minus will become 4ac by 4a square. So this plus b square minus b square gets cancelled and we remaining with 4ac and by 4a square. This 4 gets cancelled and a and this one more a gets cancelled. The answer is c by a. So the product of the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is c by a. Okay, we'll take the same example what we have taken for the sum x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. And we know the roots are minus 3 minus 4. And what is the product? Minus 3 into minus 4, that is 12. Let us apply the formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 12. So the product is c by a. C is 12 by a is 1. So the product is 12. We got the same answer in both the cases. Therefore, this formula is also correct. So the product of the roots is c by a and the sum of the roots is minus b by a. Find the sum and product of the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 and verify. Okay. So let us compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the equation? X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 6. So what is the sum of the roots? Minus b by a. So that is minus, what is b? Minus 5 by a is 1. Therefore, minus into minus plus 5 by 1 is 5. That is the sum. And what is the product of the roots? Is c by a. What is c here? 6 by 1. That is 6. Now let us verify. So what are the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0? We will do it by factorization method. So let us take the product 6. 1 into 6 is 6. And what are the factors of 6 which gives you the sum minus 5? That is, you can take minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. And if you take x common, x minus 2 and minus 3 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So if you take x minus 2 equal to 0, you'll get x equal to 2 and x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Now what is the sum of 2 plus 3? That is 5. So you got it same. And what is the product? That is 2 into 3, 6. So it is also correct. So the answer is correct. Find the sum and product of the roots x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. So this equation is not in standard form. So let us convert it into the standard form. So if you take LCM, it will be x into x square plus 1 is equal to 3. So x square plus 1, when you cross multiply, you will get it as 3x. So x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form. So here compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So what is the sum of the roots formula? So sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. That is minus of minus 3 by a, that is plus 3 by 1, that is 3. And what is the product of the roots? Product equal to c by a, and c is 1 and a is also 1. So 1 by 1, and the product of the roots is 1. In all these problems, without knowing the roots, we got the sum of the roots and product of the roots. And without knowing the roots, can we tell the nature of the roots? How the roots are? Yes, we can tell. So what is the nature of the roots? So before knowing what is nature of the roots, let us know what is discriminant. In finding the roots of the quadratic equation of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a term called b square minus 4ac. So which is under this root b square minus 4ac. This is called the discriminant of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This discriminant is denoted by d, capital D or capital delta. Okay, so delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, based on this discriminant, we can describe the nature of the roots. How? Let us see. So, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is, if it is positive, then the roots are real and distinct, means they are different. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So both the roots are equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are imaginary, means they are not real. They are not real, means you have no real roots. No real roots. How? Let us see. You observe the graph of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Actually, what is a solution? Solution is the point where the graph of the equation meets the x-axis. In this case, if you observe the graph is meeting the x-axis at 2 points. And if you take this, it is also meeting at 2 points. So it has two real roots. And in this case, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If you observe the graphs, it is meeting at only 1 point. Therefore, it has only one real solution. And in this case, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It has no real solution. And if you observe the graph, it is not intersecting the x-axis. It is not touching the x-axis at any points. Therefore, there are no real roots. Means it will have roots, but they are not real. They are imaginary. What are imaginary roots? I will explain. Root 4, it is 2. Root 9, it is 3. Means when you multiply 2 times, that is 2 square, 2 into 2, you will write it as 4. And when you multiply 3 into 3, you will get it as 9. So these numbers can be written as the product of any two numbers, but any two equal numbers. But when you take minus 4, suppose, can you write minus 4 as the product of two equal numbers? No, it is not possible. So in this case, root of minus 4, so root of 4 is 2. Then what is remaining means root of minus 4 can be written as minus 1 into 4. So this root 4 is 2. So what about root minus 1? So here comes the concept of the imaginary numbers. Root of minus 1 is known as I. It is called as iota. You learn this in your plus 1 or plus 2 classes more clearly. Just for your idea, I am explaining this. So square root of negative numbers are called imaginary numbers and they are denoted by I. So square root of minus 4 is now root 2i, and square root of minus 9 is 3i. Square root of minus 25 is 5i. So these are the imaginary numbers. So in this case, we say that the quadratic equation has no real roots. See, square root of b square minus 4ac. So if you get this as negative value, suppose I got b square minus 4ac as minus 25. Can I get a real root for this? No. So that's why the roots are not real. They are imaginary. Okay. So if you do some problems, you will understand clearly. So let us see. Now find the discriminant and describe the solution to the equations. So see, here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here it is not y, it is x. So what is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 1. So let us find b square minus 4ac, the discriminant. So that is 3 square minus 4 into ac, 4 into minus 1. So 9 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9 gives you 25, which is clearly positive, that is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Means you will have two different roots. 4x square plus 5 is equal to 0. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 4. In this there is no x term. Means b is 0 and c is equal to 5. Find the discriminant b square minus 4ac, that is b square 0 square minus 4 into a, 4 into c, 5. So that is 0 minus 4 into 4, 16 into 5, 80. That is minus 80. Clearly it is negative, that is less than 0. Therefore, roots are imaginary. There are no real roots. If you see, in finding the square root of b square minus 4ac, so what you will get, it is under root minus 80 you will get. Means it is clearly square root of negative number is imaginary numbers. Just now I told you. Therefore, there won't be any real roots. Let's have next problem. 2x square minus 4x is equal to 5. So write it in the standard form. 2x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So here a is 2, b is minus 4 and c is minus 5. So b square minus 4ac minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 5. So that is 16 minus into minus plus 4 to the 8 into 5, 40. So 40 plus 16, that is 56. Therefore, it is positive and the roots are real and distinct.